In today's video, I'm going to blow your mind with the top 5 e-commerce business ideas for 2024 that you can start right now. These are the hottest and most trending niches that will make you a lot of money in the future. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Number 5. Niche subscription box services. Who doesn't love getting a surprise box of goodies every month? Subscription box services are an awesome way to offer your customers a unique and personalized experience every month. You can pick a niche that you are passionate and knowledgeable about, such as beauty, books, food, pets, or hobbies. You can also build a loyal customer base by providing amazing products, awesome customer service, and exclusive discounts. According to Forbes, subscription box services are going to skyrocket by 68% by 2024, making it one of the hottest e-commerce business ideas. Number 4. Online language learning platforms. Do you want to learn a new language and culture, or maybe travel the world? Online language learning platforms are a booming e-commerce business idea. You can create your own platform or use an existing one, such as Duolingo or Babbel, to offer fun and engaging courses, games, podcasts, and videos. You can also target specific markets, such as travelers, students, professionals, or immigrants. Online language learning platforms are going to reach $21.2 billion by 2024, according to Research and Markets. Number 3. VR and AR entertainment experiences. Are you ready to enter a new dimension of entertainment? Virtual reality and augmented reality are changing the entertainment industry, offering immersive and realistic experiences to the users. You can create your own VR and AR content, such as games, movies, shows, or tours, or partner with existing platforms, such as Oculus or Snapchat, to distribute your content. You can also leverage the power of social media and influencers to promote your VR and AR entertainment experiences. According to Statista, the global VR and AR market size is going to grow to $209.2 billion by 2024. Number 2. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. Do you care about the environment and society? Sustainability and eco-friendliness are becoming more and more important for consumers, who are looking for products that are good for the planet and people. You can offer products that are made from natural, organic, recycled, or biodegradable materials, such as clothing, accessories, home decor, or cosmetics. You can also showcase your brand's values and mission, and support social causes, such as TOMS or Patagonia. According to Business Wire, the global sustainable and eco-friendly products market is going to grow by 9.2% annually from 2020 to 2024. Number 1. Health and wellness products. Health and wellness products are one of the most popular and profitable e-commerce business ideas, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. You can offer products that help your customers improve their physical, mental, and emotional well-being, such as supplements, fitness equipment, meditation apps, or aromatherapy. You can also create a community around your brand, and provide valuable content, such as blogs, podcasts, or webinars. According to Grand View Research, the global health and wellness products market is going to reach $1.2 trillion by 2024. So, these are the top 5 e-commerce business ideas for 2024 that you can start today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel for more online business ideas and tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.